To turn on the Winnebago PowerMax system, you will need to go to the driver's side cabinet at the back of the van. You will notice a small button. This is your power source for the system. To monitor the batteries as well as control the AC and DC power, you will need to use the EcoFlow panel. The EcoFlow panel shows 3 tiles: the system tile, the input tile, and the output tile. Your system tile will show your available time left based on current usage, your state of charge, quick view of your batteries, and the temperature of your batteries. In cold weather, the battery will automatically turn on the internal heater when the temperature drops below 32 degrees. If the unit is cold soaked below 32 degrees, you must plug into shore power. If the unit gets below -4, we suggest you warm up the inside of the van or park it inside. When it reaches a temperature above -4, simply plug into shore power. When storing for long periods of time, we suggest storing the battery at 60% or higher state of charge. If the battery is critically low, simply plug the unit into shore power. In the input tile, you can see what your system is charging from, such as one or both of the alternators, solar or shore power. The power curve shows you a visual representation of your inputs. In the output tile, you will see your AC and DC power. Your AC power will operate things like your air conditioner and 120 volt outlets. And your DC power will be for things like lights and 12 volt wall outlets, as well as another visual representation of power draw. Downloading the EcoFlow app will give you the same functionality as the control panel in the van. In order to pair the device, you may need to reset the Bluetooth settings on the control panel. There are 2 apps to remotely monitor or control your PowerMax system. You will need to ensure Bluetooth is enabled on your mobile device to operate either. Using the Lithionics app, you can monitor the state of charge. If the fields are green, the system is charging. If the fields are red, it is discharging. To power the system completely off, you will need to push and hold the button in the back of the coach until the light turns off.